Yeah, the rocket's going up.
Oh,
Actually, looks nice, actually.
yeah. I'm surprised it's that cloudy.
You can see it glowing against the clouds and everything.
Well, thunder showers we were having.
Oh yeah, I'm shocked they're launching. That's wild right there. That is one of Elon Musk's rockets right there, folks. That's a Falcon 9 rocket, isn't it? I think.
So I've been running back and forth. That's a nice one.
It is.
That is. I thought they would.
I'm out here with neighbors and stuff, and we're watching the rocket, the Elon Musk Falcon 9 rocket going.
I almost caught the daylight one, but I was busy, and then I forgot, and then I remembered, and it was 2 minutes later, and I was like, no.
It's cloudy out right now, so it's hard to get it.
When I just saw the smoke trail.
There you go.
Yeah, that's what I saw when I came outside.
It's going through the clouds as you see it.
Boy, how about well, the clouds must be gone because it just keeps going.
It's going right over our heads, too.
Right there.
That's wild.
You don't see them that long very often.
No.
That's wild the way it's moving in the camera.
Yeah, it looks crazy.
They're way up above us.